So today we're going to learn about how to use this datetime collections inside Python library. So we will be calculating the difference of seconds from T1 to T2, right? And we need to understand also the format. So let's try and implement these solutions using the time format as well. So we're going to copy this. Oh, and we forgot to import datetime. So datetime import datetime method or library. Yeah. So we will use the format right here. So they will use the time format or library variable, and we will do this. So we will change this into %a for the weekday name, and after that %d for the weekday number, and %b for the month, and we have year. So the year will be %y, right? So capital Y for year, and this is for %h for hour, and this is %m for minute, and %s for second. And this is the time zone, so this will be %z. So this is our format, and you can look this up on also from the internet or any other manuals, Python manuals, right? So also this ones give us a hint, something like this, right? Okay, so now after using this format, basically designing this format, we can subtract and find the difference of the 2t. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, we will have to return a string, because later on we will get the delta and append it with a new line. So we will have to convert into a new string. After that, we will use string convert to string. We use integers, and this will be input, not input. I forgot the. Okay, so so datetime. Yeah, so we have to use the datetime right here inside this, and the strp time. So it's gonna strip the time, and we will get only the seconds that we're trying. We will delete all the trailing space and all the other unneeded stuff, and we will just only get the numbers and calculate the exact difference of the delta. Okay, so after this, we will pass T1 and also for the time format, and we will subtract it, and T1, not TA. So this will be using against right here, T2, and we get this. Okay, so after this, we will have to convert into absolute number, which is basically turn it into positive, and then we get the total seconds functions and convert into integers, right? And yeah, so and then we can convert into a string. Because why are we doing this integers? Well, basically we want only not the decimal number, so just the number. And yeah, so anyway, it's just easier to do it that way. So and then after that we convert into a string so that we can append the new line. Okay, let's test this, and it passed. Everything is good, looking good, and that's our answer for this, calculating the delta.